Hey guys, Vera Sweeney here, and I just wanted to give you a little tip. If you are a blogger who uses ghostwriters, VAs, other people in your business to help you, I like to hire a team. There's only so much I can do by myself, quite frankly. I'm a mom of 3, and I'm really lucky enough to have a thriving business, but honestly, I'm just one person. So I really do welcome people coming on board, helping me with crafts or recipe creations, things like that. I have a handful of women that help me create content for Lady in the Blog, and I am just so thankful for them. So in order to pay for their services, their much needed services, something that I do to help ease that burden, that financial burden of their charges, their bills, is I like to sell items around my house, and I like to have an eBay account. And that's really a great way for you to make a little bit of extra money to pretty much pay for the extra stuff that you need to have your blog be in business and get a few extra $100 a week to pay those expenses, basically. So that's sort of my goal at the end of every week. I have, I would say, probably $400 to $500 a week in PayPal invoices that come through. I have, let me see, I probably get like 2 or 3 recipes, and then I have a DIY post that comes through every day, and then I have a VA. So when all of that stuff comes in, I'm probably at around, say a couple $100. And I know that I have to find a couple of $100 worth of stuff throughout my house and put them online and sell them in order to make sure that I'm getting the most value for those goods. So if I'm posting those things online, obviously I'm not going to get ad money by the page views of that week. I'm only going to get so many page views in the first week. They're not going to go viral, or maybe they will. But, you're not really going to get that ad money back right away. And so I don't want to be at a loss in that first week. And so I try to sort of even it out. And the way that I do that is I try to justify the expense by selling off, clothes that I'm not wearing anymore, or toys that my kids are not wearing. I just try to sort of balance it out, and it works out because it, in a way, truly gives me the motivation that I need to keep my eBay store stocked up. So my readers get a benefit because they have access to things that I don't have the skills to create. I'm not a DIY person. I have a wonderful writer out in the West Coast, and she is super handy. And so once a week she provides that sort of content, and that provides my readers with information that I wouldn't otherwise be able to offer. And I give my eBay store participants, or people that come and sort of visit me often, I give them new stuff to see all the time. She gets paid, they get goods, I get money. It's like the circle of life. Everybody gets something, everybody stays happy. I'm not in the red. The writer gets money, the eBay people get goods, and that's what's going on. So you should think about the things that you do in your life. Maybe you're an avid coffee lover. Maybe you're somebody who can't get enough of jelly beans. I don't know what your vice is, but whatever it is that you like to do every week, maybe you're not a blogger, maybe there's something else that you tend to do every week that you want to sort of balance out. Find your vice, figure out how much you pay for it once a week, and try to sell off as many goods as you can to make up for that bill. That's how I look at eBay. That should be how you look at eBay. That should be enough motivation for you to get up after this video is over, find 3 or 4 items, list them right now, and get your party started. And hey, if you have an eBay store, you can list it below. And for more eBay videos, you can just check out the new channel that we started last year. I have a partner, and we talk about all different ways that you can make money. And I don't really talk about that on this channel because it's super highly focused about eBay. So you can go over there and you can check out all the conversations that we're having. It's super fun, and you can get your stuff started over there as well. Till next time.